Finally, the Super Eagles of Nigeria don't complete their qualification and then they pick 14 points from 6 games unbeaten. And the record still they continue for Coach Gennett Raw. They qualify for major tournaments with games to spare. He qualified with 2 games to spare for the World Cup, 2 games to spare for the Nations Cup, and the record still they continue. The last time out for Egypt, they finished with bronze medal as the 3rd place team. This time around, whether they will go one lucky to get Nigeria 4th Nations Cup title. Now waiting we go wait to see for Cameroon 2021. To all of you wait on the watch, Football Republic on top of your Shookman Station 95.1 and all our digital platforms. We say thank you very much. Let we continue all of the jollification. Make sure you listen to 95.1 Wazobia FM. This now Football Republic. Nigeria 3, Lesotho 0. Like this now, Afcon qualifier don't complete. First off, how you see the game?
Well, the game is too sweet. The game is very entertaining. With the fans, we enjoy ourselves for the stadium. The way Super Eagles play, I think they play the ball. It totally my body well because one, you see the way they pass the ball, the movement of the ball. If you look everywhere for the stadium, everywhere just there.
But I don't Lesotho.
We listen to Lesotho. But also Super Eagles still they play. We listen to Lesotho.
I do over happy, serious. I do over happy.
For me, you know, like person happy. I do over happy.
You know, take the shout and everything. Don't make me understand. You don't make me take stress.
Don't soft.
Yes. But I do happy. At least for them to host the ball here and for them to win, nothing of joy. I do happy. Forget I know the shout now, but I did happy.
But the match sweet well. For me personally, I really enjoyed myself. It was an interesting game of football. You know, for the first time in 20 years, hosting the Super Eagles in Lagos. I'm really happy, you know, to see Iwobi, to see Osimhen, to see Oyekuru. You know, all these Nigerian stars dominating Europe. I'm very glad to witness this match today, man.
Yeah. The match was cool actually.
But I'm not speaking English. But
the match Before I enter,
he joke.
Nigeria tries. Now like this one make we play ball. Although we know say this Lesotho, then they learn.
Lesotho.
Then they learn. But they try.
So that we go really come down to prepare for the bigger competition. No shame.
Okay, we are very, very happy. You know that's what we want. So we represent Nigeria in the world.
I don't say we are travel everywhere. So there's a Lagos, that's still Lagos. Super Eagles don't come back to Lagos. How did they make you feel?
Are they very happy?
Really happy?
Are they very happy?
It's sweet to die.
For once, let it be in Lagos too.
Shebi?
Yes.
Over
yes.
20 years
I'm
now.
telling you.
I tell you.
Let Lagos host it. In short, next game, let Lagos host it.
Like this now, they travel go Cameroon, a supporters club.
Yes, sir.
What do they expect from Una and the team for Cameroon?
No.
Wait here, I don't know.
3 points.
3 points for all the match. Wait.
What did they be say? I they expect this team, you know, to go straight to the final. The last time na bronze we carry come Nigeria.
Yeah.
You know the tournament we get as it be. But this very first time, you know, we have, you know, the highest goal scorer, one of the highest goal scorer, you know, in Europe. He's talking about Paul Onuachu. So I'm expecting nothing less than, you know, coming home with the gold. You know, we are coming with the Afcon this time around.
What I go tell am be say the same position we maintain today.
Yeah.
Make you use am, but make you add more tactics to his team. He do well today. I like the formation we use.
Yeah.
Like when me, I not be football person, but I see what he play. I would like make him use the same formation we use, but add more energy and tactics to this team.
My expectation for this team for the Nations Cup, I go like make we go carry the Nations Cup because the team where I see for here, now team will be safe. Forget we don't qualify, but the way the team take play, they play like say we never qualify. So now this kind of team where they hungry. Now I want to see for Nations Cup. When I go Nations Cup, go carry the Nations Cup. When we reach Nations Cup, settings go change.
Yeah.
You know, say the teams will go meet now. Go be like Senegal, then Egypt, then Cameroon, then Ghana. Those are the part for Nations Cup. That one, home advantage, no day. So, make we try, Sha. I feel because I be Nigeria, I go still hope. But say make we not get that bronze. Kai, go get that. We go. That's the least. No be. We don't want to get bronze again. We want it final. We want it final. When we reach final.
I go call leave the order.
For this match now,
Okay.
if there's somebody you pick your man of the match, who be your man of the match?
3 player.
3, your name.
Ogwe.
No, that guy ball, shy ball.
Perfect. I love it from beginning to the end.
Yeah.
Second person.
Yeah.
Trust me now, it was awesome.
No, that guy is chairman, general.
Then for general, let me give it for let me give it to the man of the match himself. Because one, I started from the first half actually. We see me pepper them from beginning. Score that go not be easy. Go now based on saying get long leg and he get desire to score. He score. Second leg, that second going for Misamo. He just is more. On top of that they come now. Don't smash the ball for 7.
Why you play ball?
I dey play ball. I like music passport.
I'm on the plenty. But I just pick defender.
Just pick one.
Okay, I would now Balogun. Balogun.
All right, thank you. Chop.
Thank you.
My man of the match. Well, he don't know my mind since. I will give him to Osimhen. Because the one take Osimhen take play, take do that assist and score one goal. I go give him to Osimhen.
Yeah, my man of the match for this game on Tyron Ebueyi because the guy he did so calm, he controlled the ball well. So for me, man of the match Tyron Ebueyi.
Why you so worried?
Yeah. Shout out to Football Republic. Anywhere we go, just like my guy say here. Anywhere we go, we go with you now. Football Republic, Wazobia FM. We love you, man. Thank you, everybody.
Wazobia, una try. I appreciate una day here. Thank una say una come popular side. Now here people day. No be that side. Here we belong. Now here people day. No be that side. Okay, yes, so this is your boy Gamboli, aka Mr. Proposer. Yeah. I should make I can support Nigeria now. Yeah, we be musicians, but then we need to support this thing now. This thing football. Now what we love. Yeah, we go blow.
My Football Republic people. Now Football Republic fan 9 years old. Our mind is sweet as a sooner. He totally us well because one, we always dey listen to una. Anywhere una go, we go dey follow una because una be number one. So
number one took part station at 5.1 Wazobia.
Authentic.
Say.